I'm Jaron Sim from Design Studio 3. I'm a SEM. Today I'm representing my project, which is to design a market in a designated site, Kajang. So for my market, the transit, which is the idea of transitional space, like in a green grocery market, with the intention of grabbing attention of passerby or locals to engage and experience throughout the market, while linking historic district and a modern station, with design strategies that adapts to the site location and locals' condition. Moving on to my design development, my market started with the market stores arrangement, which was inspired by rows of rubber trees linearly positioned, as Kajang was well known for its rubber estate in the past. So my market is divided into two different zones. Outdoor and indoor market are introduced separately, and market stores are added into the indoor market. Then my market are divided into sections with respective functions and categories. For my design intention of my market, I want my market to be like high ceiling and spacious, which also acts as the hierarchy of the site, and also as a transition space for daily users or passerby where people can pass through the market and experience the market. It also creates multiple entrances and openings throughout the market, and a side entrance. And the trees across the market mimic as columns, which also direct users in a certain direction, like a one-way direction through the market, and also to introduce greens to the market as the site lacks of greeneries. Moving on to my floor plan, this should be my loading bay. This should be a storage area. So loading bay connected here, they'll load their goods into a storage area, which the market store their goods. So here will be the main entrance for market from the MRT. Along this will be my market area, and outside will be the sitting area. And I have a side entrance over here, which is connected with the parking and walking parkings. And the side entrance also serve as a convenient access for OKUs for the old people around Kajang, where they can just go through the side entrance. So here will be my motorbike parkings, my drop-off area, and my common area with florist stores. Here will be the connecting bridge between the residential area to my market. And at the rear of the market will be my services area, like the OKU toilets, the nursing room, the male and female toilets, male and female surrounds and ablution. At the back of my market will be the parking zones. They'll have bike and cars. My elevation, this will be my north elevation with the current context of the site, the MRT of the site, MRT at the site, which can be seen behind my market. The east elevation will be facing the river. And this will be my section. This will be the service area at the rear of the market, toilets, and here will be the common area. And throughout this site will be my market area, connecting to the MRT. So for my building materials, I choose cheddar wood and concrete as my main materials. The cheddar wood I use around 60% throughout the market as roof material, which stands out in the site, and also to introduce green market by utilizing natural material. And the concrete material I use around 40% throughout the market, which is an excellent durability and strength to support the timber roof. And also the perfect blend of traditional and modern materials. Here I have my roof to foundation details, the sectional details for my wall, my precast concrete wall, and the zoom-in details for how the timber columns connect to the ground, and the zoom-in section details for my foundation. So throughout my market, these are the programs that are running around my market: the market area, the florist stores, the storage room, the surrounds, the walkways / side entrance, and the dressing in the toilet and nursing room, the services area. This will be my perspective for market. The bird eye view from the main entrance, and the bird eye view from the river, and the view of my sitting area, and the florist stores, and the view of my market during the nighttime, and the walkway during nighttime. It's a short 3D animation of how my market flows looks like. Here the florist stores into the market, and across the market will be the MRT. Here will be the sitting areas towards the MRT. And here's another approach from the residential area, which has a view of my florist stores and common area. And this will be the walkway, the side entrance for my market, into the market area, to the MRT. And here's the rear approach from the market. Here will be the surrounds and toilets. And to end my presentation, here's a quick area view of our market. Okay, thank you.